Welcome to Mighty Machine, your ultimate destination for the world's most insane logging trucks and heavy machinery. From roaring Mercedes-Benz and Kenworth giants to cutting-edge electric Scania timber haulers, we've got all the action, power, and precision you crave. Get ready to witness machines that move mountains. Let's dive in. The Mercedes-Benz Arocs stands as a true titan in the world of logging. Engineered for extreme loads, it features a reinforced steel chassis, heavy-duty axles, and powerful torque that keeps it moving through the toughest off-road tracks. Its 6x6 configuration ensures unbeatable traction, while the power-shift transmission makes gear changes seamless, even under pressure. Inside, the ergonomic cabin offers total command with advanced monitoring and safety systems. Built not just to haul, but to endure, the Arocs proves why Mercedes-Benz remains a global symbol of reliability and strength in industrial transport. The DAF XF530 is a masterclass in efficiency and strength. Its PAC-CAR MX-13 engine pushes out incredible torque while maintaining impressive fuel economy, a must for long-distance timber transport. With its aerodynamic body, intelligent driveline, and advanced braking systems, it delivers top performance on every route. The cabin is a driver's dream, spacious, silent, and packed with smart controls. Whether it's navigating mountain roads or hauling heavy logs, the XF530 combines European design with raw, unstoppable power. Built for the brutal logging trails of Australia and beyond, the Kenworth T659 is a legend in the industry. Its Cummins X15 engine provides extreme torque for steep climbs and muddy tracks. With a strong chassis, superior axle articulation, and an iconic bullnose design, it's made for both performance and presence. Drivers value its durability and smooth control even when fully loaded. From forest floors to sawmill gates, the T659 delivers rugged dependability, a true powerhouse made for men and machines that never quit. Volvo's logging trucks redefine reliability in the forest industry. Designed for maximum traction and payload balance, their dynamic torque distribution ensures perfect grip on uneven surfaces. Powered by the D13 engine, it combines high torque with outstanding fuel efficiency. The reinforced frame and I-shift gearbox optimize every haul, saving time and fuel on long routes. The Fuso logging fleet in New Zealand showcases the perfect fusion of Japanese engineering and Kiwi toughness. Powered by a high-torque Daimler engine, it's crafted to climb steep logging roads while maintaining total control under heavy loads. The truck's stability systems, heavy-duty brakes, and durable suspension ensure reliable performance in unpredictable terrain. Designed for sustainability and endurance, Fuso brings reliability to one of the world's toughest forestry environments, proving that smart engineering can move mountains of timber with grace. Scania's electric timber truck is rewriting the rules of logging transport. This zero-emission powerhouse runs silently through forest roads while carrying massive payloads. Its electric motor delivers instant torque, enabling precise power when climbing or braking on rough trails. Backed by Scania's advanced battery management and regenerative braking, it's both efficient and eco-friendly. The robust frame and adaptive chassis make it just as tough as any diesel counterpart. Scania's innovation signals a new era, where strength meets sustainability in the world of logging. Western Star trucks are built for one mission: pure muscle in motion. Designed for extreme duty work, the Western Star logging variant boasts a reinforced steel frame, massive ground clearance, and a torque-heavy Detroit DD16 engine. It thrives in punishing terrain where others hesitate. Every detail, from the rugged suspension to the commanding cab layout, reflects pure American engineering. For operators who demand toughness, reliability, and style, Western Star stands tall as a true giant in logging transport. Edison Motors is pioneering hybrid electric power in the forestry world. Their logging trucks combine electric drive technology with diesel efficiency, providing unmatched torque while cutting fuel use dramatically. Built in Canada, these trucks are tailored for off-grid operations with minimal environmental impact. With regenerative braking, modular batteries, and heavy-duty drivetrains, they're changing the face of sustainable hauling. The Edison Motors logging truck isn't just powerful. It's proof that green technology and raw strength can coexist in harmony. Southpac trucks are engineered to handle New Zealand's toughest timber routes. Equipped with advanced heavy-haul systems, they feature optimized torque management and enhanced braking for steep descents. Each model is customized for stability, load control, and driver safety in unpredictable forest terrain. With unmatched reliability and power under the hood, Southpac delivers consistent performance year after year. These trucks prove that with the right engineering, no road is too steep and no load too heavy. The Komatsu 951XC is a beast of modern forestry. As one of the most powerful harvesters ever built, it combines 8-wheel traction, massive lifting power, and advanced computerized control systems. Its 210-kilowatt engine and hydrostatic mechanical transmission allow flawless operation in deep woods and uneven slopes. Operators can harvest more timber with less ground impact thanks to its balanced load distribution and smart hydraulics. The 951XC isn't just efficient, it's precision forestry technology at its finest. The Liebherr LH35M is a versatile powerhouse built for timber handling. Its energy recovery system enhances lifting performance while reducing fuel consumption. The hydraulic system delivers smooth, responsive movement, perfect for stacking or loading heavy logs. The operator's cab offers panoramic visibility and precision joystick controls for maximum efficiency. With durability and comfort combined, the LH35M shows why Liebherr remains a trusted name in heavy machinery worldwide. The Kenworth W900 isn't just a truck, it's a statement of American power. Under its long nose hood lies a massive diesel engine capable of hauling extreme loads through the toughest trails. The W900's solid frame, advanced suspension, and signature chrome styling make it an icon in logging operations. Drivers love its comfort and commanding presence on every road. Built for those who respect tradition and demand power, the W900 remains a legend that never fades. The Stepa Forstkran FL8211 brings precision engineering to the forest floor. Its hydraulic crane system offers exceptional lifting capacity and reach, ideal for handling large timber loads with stability and control. The lightweight yet durable design ensures long-lasting performance with minimal wear. Operators appreciate its ease of handling and quick response time, a true partner in modern forestry. Stepa's commitment to quality makes the FL8211 a reliable, efficient, and safe solution for logging operations worldwide. Serco loaders, used by Turner Logging LLC, redefine heavy timber handling. With immense hydraulic strength and precise control, these loaders make short work of even the largest logs. Their rugged steel construction and ergonomic operator cabins allow for long shifts without fatigue. Paired with advanced grapple designs, they ensure faster loading cycles and smoother operations. Trusted by professionals in North America, Serco loaders represent the perfect blend of power, speed, and reliability in the world of logging equipment. From electric pioneers to diesel titans, these machines move the world's forests with unmatched strength and innovation. Each one is a masterpiece of engineering, built to endure, perform, and inspire. This is the power of modern logging, where technology meets raw, unstoppable force